Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change page layout in your Word document. So in order to do that, I go to layout and then you will see several options from here: margins, orientation, size, and columns. So we're going to work on all of these now. So what is margins? Click on it, you'll find that there are several options for the margins. So the default is normal, which means that at the top, which is here, you will see 1 inch margin, and then in all sides, like bottom and left and right, so it's in here and here, and also at the bottom in all sides, they're all 1 inch margin. So that is normal and default. However, you may change according to your needs and instruction by maybe your professor, or if you are writing for a journal, so according to the journal guidelines, you may need to change the layout for margins. So, and you'll find several options like narrow margins, which would be ½ inch at all sides of your page. But you may also want to customize margins where, for example, you may keep all sides 1 inch, but you can change the top as 2 inch. You can write it, or you can do it from this drop down menu. So if you take it 2 inches and click OK, so as I said, this top margin is so big. It's because it's 2 inches, and we keep other sides at 1 inch. So, but actually we're gonna go back to the normal one, which is 1 inch at all sides of your document. So now it's 1 inch back again. So this is how you work on the margins page setup. But now you may work on the orientation. So the default for orientation is portrait as it currently stands. As you can see on this document, it's in portrait. So the orientation is portrait. So, but you can change it to landscape, so which is horizontally bigger than the portrait. So in some situations you may need it. For example, if you have a table that is very big and cannot fit it into the portrait format, so you may want to change it to the landscape, but we'll choose portrait for now. And then the size of the page, if you are living in the United States, is the default is letter, so which is what currently stands now, but you may want to change it to A4 size, which is very popular in Europe and in Asia. But we are going to choose the default one for this size. But if you want, you can change it to A3 or A4, whatever file format fits to your needs. But we're gonna choose letter format. And there's an option called column. So as you can see, we are writing in a single column. That means in one page you have just one column, but you may want to have two columns. If you choose the two columns, so then we will have two columns here. So you write here, and then after finishing the first column, you start writing from here. So but we don't need to write in, for my purpose, we don't need to write in double columns, so we're going to choose single column. So that's how you set up your page using this layout. But there are many advanced levels of things that you might need in the future, but these are the most basic things that that is very fundamental in setting up your page, going to the layout on the top of your page. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.